Okay, so this is from practice set 70. This is the third problem. Your instructions say to use elimination to solve for x and y. Write answers as ordered pairs. Your equations are 2x plus 3y equals 14 and 4x plus 2y equals 12. So this one's a little harder to figure out how to eliminate it, but because 2 and 4, 2 is a factor of 4, I decided to cancel out these. You can cancel out these and do it, but it would be, you'd have to do something with both problems. If you cancel out your x's, you can just multiply this top equation by a negative 2, and that will give you a negative 4x, and then those two will cancel out when you combine them. So that's why I chose this problem, this equation, to multiply something by. And I have to multiply it by a negative because these are both positive, so it has to be a negative 2. So when I multiply this whole equation by a negative 2, I end up with a negative 4x, sorry. Negative 4x, and then negative 2 times 3y is a negative 6y, and then negative 2 times 14 is a negative 28. Then I bring my other equation down so I can combine these. Negative 4x and 4x cancel, and so negative 6y and 2y make a negative 4y. Negative 28 and 12 make a negative 16. And then I have negative 4y equals a negative 16. I divide both sides by a negative 4, and I end up with y equals a positive 4. So y equals 4, and I wrote that down in my ordered pair. Then my next step is to go back and use one of these equations, it doesn't matter which one, and put in y to solve for x. So I just did this one, it doesn't matter which one you use. 4x plus 2y equals 12. So I'm going to replace y with 4. And I end up with 4x plus 2 times 4 equals 12. 2 times 4 equals 8. So now I have 4x plus 8 equals 12. Then I subtract both sides, take 8 from both sides to cancel out the 8 here, and I'm left with 4x on this side, and then 12 minus 8 is 4. So I have 4x equals 4. Divide both sides by 4, and x equals 1. So my ordered pair is 1, 4.